As many of you have requested me to make a video on Tableau, and Tableau is very easier than what you think. We are going to start with the Tableau trial model, and in 14 days, I will, as much as possible, I will create mini lessons and I will upload it so that you can take and have a practice. So I will continue as a continued trial. So what I'm gonna do is that it also gives me a quick start everything. But now I have a Excel data, that Excel data, the scatter plot that I can do it in Tableau. How to do? Just have a click it. It will ask for the location. You remember that we have created the same using the Power BI. Now we are gonna do it in the Excel and in the Tableau assets, right? Go ahead and give Power BI scatter. So now, once it is been done, very quickly all the data comes in, right? So you see that this is one example, add and sales is one example, temperature and foam is one example, delivery and sorting is one example. You can see here, and if you go to this data one, just right click on this, you will find that canvas has been opened. So now all I'm interested is that I'm interested in the color. Maybe you can also choose the color, everything. So now we'll do it one by one. So first variable what we have is that ad spent. How much money is spent on ad, right? That I'm gonna keep it and row, right? And then how much sales been happen. So after spending the money on ad. So I wanted to know whether the sale and ad is correlated, right? I will keep it here, right? Now you see that all I'm just doing it is that I'm just right clicking on this and go to dimension, and it has converted into bar chart, almost line chart. And then same thing, I'm just clicking here and giving dimension. Now you see that the scatter, very beautiful scatter has been there, and you can also customize and all that you can do, right? So for example, let's say if you want like this, you can do that. So that means sales goes up. So this is the access we have, right? So if the ad goes up, sales goes up. Now we want like in other way around, you can still do it. The ad goes up. If the we spend more money on the ad, that means sales also goes up. So it is very strong correlated. So this is one example, right? So now what I'm doing it, I'm just creating another example. So this we can call it as scatter one. Yes, one. And let's do it scatter two. In the scatter two, what I will do, now I will just take the foam percentage and then temperature. Okay, so as the temperature is an input, right? And foam percentage is that these two variables correlated or not. What Tableau will do, Tableau will give you the automatic default as some value, but we are interested in dimension value, right? So just click on dimension. So it has given like line chart, and again you do that, convert this also into dimension. So now this is beautiful, right? So you can see here, the foam percentage, I mean, goes up. If the foam percentage goes up, maybe I can make it reverse. Yeah. If the temperature rises up, right, the foam percentage also goes up, right? We can easily do that. And then if you want to add any size, let's say slightly bigger size, if you wanted to add, you can do all that formatting. Of course, you can very well do it. Let's say if you want to change the colors, you can change, and very easily, you can fluently and easily you can do it, right? This is yes to. The last and final example we are going to take it is that whether the sorting time and delivery time is correlated, right? So again, what I'm doing it, I'm just keeping the sorting time here and delivery time, and all I'm just giving is that dimension, both as a dimension. just right click here, go and give dimensions. So see that not very much correlated, but you can see that if the sorting time is more and delivery time is also getting more, right? So almost like moderate correlated, and we can easily, if you wanted to find out the correlations, everything, we can do it. Right now, what I will do is that I will just save this one and we will go more granular detail in upcoming videos. I hope you find it useful. Please do stay tuned for more such Tableau video assets. Thank you so much. Have a good day.